What is up, guys? So AI agents are officially live within LeadLoft. They can automatically schedule calls with your prospects. So in this video, we're gonna run through what's new, how to use them, and how it actually works when AI agents take over and start scheduling calls on your behalf. Let's get into it. So to start, when you hop into LeadLoft, go over to playbooks. And of course, once you're in playbooks, create a new playbook, follow the steps. If you want, you can use AI prospecting, really make the whole process all AI based. But for now, I already have a playbook built here, AI SDR outbound. So you can see on the top right, there's this new feature, AI agents. That's what automatically schedules calls on your behalf. So from here, you can set the goal. There's only one right now, but we're gonna be adding more down the road. There's maximum number of follow-ups, which is how many times you want the agent to actually follow up with your prospect if they go dark. Say you're trying to schedule a call for Monday, they don't respond. This allows the agent to continually follow up on your behalf. Of course, the agent has delays and it handles things and it writes different emails, et cetera, which is a really cool feature when scheduling calls. The last thing here is additional instructions. Now, this is more of an advanced feature, but it's super useful if you have leads or prospects that you need to qualify. Think you sell to companies that only use Shopify or only use WordPress. You can actually confirm with them that they use WordPress or Shopify before actually scheduling the call. It's also useful for recruiting. Maybe you want to confirm somebody has a specific skill, like they're well-versed in Node.js. But enough about that. Let's run through an actual test now. So to get started, we just need a prospect and enroll them in this playbook. So let's hop into LinkedIn real quick. We'll go ahead and search for myself. There we go. And as you can probably see now, we also have a huge update to the LeadLoft Chrome extension here on the right, but we'll have a different video about that later on. For now, let's go over to Playbook. We'll click SDR Playbook. You can see save and enroll. And now if you want to actually save the contact information and automatically engage them, just click that button, right? We'll click it, we'll find contact information in real time. We'll see a loading sign, everything. There it is. It's searching for my email. And once it finds the email, it will automatically begin engaging me, running outreach in that playbook. So let's give it a moment here. So while it processes this, let's hop into LeadLoft and just see what that looks like. We'll go back to the pipeline. We'll see LeadLoft there at the top. There's me. You can see the email has been found. You can see the playbook's also scheduled for outreach. This design has also been updated. And of course, you can see that next message is basically queued for outreach. So let's just give it a moment here. It might take a couple of minutes for LeadLoft to process this. And we'll hop back in once the outreach is actually initiated. So you can see that initial email just went out. That's obviously pitching VPs of sales here. So now let's hop in to my inbox and respond to it and just see how LeadLoft handles that with the AI agent. So I just received this message. Of course, this was sent from within LeadLoft. I'll go ahead and just click reply here. Scroll up, I'll just say, looks interesting, how does it work? Click send, then when LeadLoft syncs this up, the AI agent will be enabled. So let's hop back into LeadLoft and see what that looks like. So there we go, that response has been synced up. You can see here, looks interesting, how does it work? And as you can see on the left here, where the playbooks usually display, you now see an AI agent that is marked working. So essentially what's happened now is the AI agent is now taking over, handling responses and working on your behalf. So if I refresh it here in a second, we should see response appear responding to this message. Let's click refresh. There it is. Hi, Zach. At a high level, we help teams streamline sales by combining lead gen and CRM in one platform. So you can find prospects, run outreach, track conversations, and manage pipeline without stitching together a bunch of tools. Probably easiest to show you quickly. Do any of these times work? So you can see here, it's already answered the question. And now the AI agent is trying to schedule a call with this prospect, right? And what's really cool is it's actually checked your calendar, found times that work, and it's scheduling here. If it finds any problems scheduling, it will actually share your calendar link automatically. But we tested this, and when you share times and actually try to book with somebody one-to-one, it just works a lot better. People trust you more, and the booking rate actually increases quite a bit. But let's keep going here. Let's go ahead and respond and actually try and book a time. So here's that response we received. We'll go ahead and click reply, and we'll just say, Thursday looks good. Let's book it. There we go. Click send. And now let's hop back into LeadLoft and just see what happens here. There it is. Thursday looks good. Let's book it. And let's just see how the agent responds. Click refresh. So there we go. You can see the message has been sent. Hi, Zach. Perfect. I'll send the invite for Thursday, June 4th at 10 a.m. PST. Best, Richard. It's sending right now. And what's really cool is if you look above here, you can see the event has already been created and sent to that prospect. You can see here, scheduled for June 4th at 12 p.m. My time's slightly different. You can see both of these users have been invited, added to the event. It created a Google Meeting link, added a description, and even named the event automatically for us. And all of this is handled automatically without you lifting a finger. The AI agent can communicate with your prospects, handle conversations, book those meetings, and even handle objections without you ever having to lift a finger. So this feature is live now in LeadLoft. And as a quick reminder to use it, just go over to playbooks, open up a playbook, In the top right, you'll see AI agents. Just go ahead and turn it on to begin using this. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.